In today's video, I'll show you how to cascade windows on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, just open up any program or any settings, and from this window, just select the maximize button, and you're gonna see multiple split screen options that is by default in Windows 11. Now from here, you can just select any of them, and after you do that, you're gonna get the option to select another app in the another part of the screen. Or if you selected multiple ports, you can set up multiple apps in multiple ports. For example, on the left hand, I have settings and I selected two parts, so I have another part. And in the other part, I'll select my browser Brave, so I'll just go on it. And basically, as you can see, I'm cascading windows right now. I have one to the left, one to the right. If I want, I can also do a three-way. So I can open settings in one, my Google Chrome in one, and File Explorer in another. There are multiple layouts that you can use. You can also manually customize the width of it. And you can also manually drag and drop to set the window to wherever you like as well. For example, if I want to set it over here, I'll set it over here. As you can see, it's a four-way layout now, and I can resize all of them as well. And basically that is it. And that is how to cascade windows on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.